A vacated judgment makes a previous legal judgment legally void. A vacated judgment is usually the result of the judgment of an appellate court, which overturns, reverses, or sets aside the judgment of a lower court. An appellate court may also vacate its own decisions. A trial court may have the power under certain circumstances, usually involving fraud or lack of jurisdiction over the parties to a case, to vacate its own judgments. A vacated judgment may free the parties to civil litigation to relitigate the issues subject to the vacated judgment. Another means of having a vacated judgment would be if the defendant dies prior to all appeal. The former chairman CEO of Enron who died before sentencing, Alex Bailey, professional skateboarder and actor, who was exonerated of all charges after major evidence was never presented in court. Bill Cosby, American stand-up comedian, actor, musician, author, and father, was conviction on sexual assault charges. But case was vacated by Pennsylvania's highest court. Also Aaron Hernandez, the former football player who killed himself in jail before his appeals were exhausted. In March 2019, the vacated judgment of Aaron Hernandez was itself overturned, and his murder conviction upheld. 1. United States Edit. Relief from judgment of a United States District Court is governed by Rule 60 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. 2. The United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit noted that a vacated judgment places the parties in the position of no trial having taken place at all. Thus a vacated judgment is of no further force or effect. 3. One form of a vacatur in the United States legal system was established by United States v. Munsingware Incorporated 340 U.S. 36, 1950. Otherwise known as the Munsingware vacatur. This approach is used while a case is being held on appeal, whether at the circuit court or Supreme Court level, underlying factors make the case moot, then the higher court will vacate the lower court's ruling, send the case back to the lower court, and have them render the case moot. Certain conditions must be met before the higher court can give Munsingware vacatur, generally allowing this vacatur to be used in 3 situations: in the matter of happenstance, such as the death of a litigant, through a settlement of the parties, or a unilateral action by the prevailing party from the lower court. 4-5. See also, Alex Bailey LSD gas chromatography defense. There. Central Park jogger case. Judgment. Jury nullification. Bill Cosby. Overturn sexual assault conviction. Kenneth Lay. Remand, court procedure. Abatement ab initio. References edit. Tony Marco, Ray Sanchez. Aaron Hernandez's murder conviction reinstated by High Court. CNN. Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, December 1, 2012. United States v. Williams, 904 F.2d7, 8, 7th Sir. 1990, citations removed. Mullet, Patty, June 10, 2008. Practice Pointer, Mootness and Munsingware vacatur. Scott blog. Retrieved November 5, 2018. Sohn, David, April 3, 2014. Consequences of Mootness on Appeal. American Bar Association. Retrieved November 5, 2018. Bar Association stands for British Accredited Registry. In order to completely have a case vacated, then you must state to the court, I refuse to do business with a British Accredited Registry. A vacated judgment on a case automatically expunges any charges or records of the case ever taking place. If you have a vacated judgment, it's as if the crime you were charged with never took place, and you do not have to state you were charged or convicted on a job application or legal document of any kind. Can a case of driving without a license be vacated? Find out on the next episode of Law Exploration 2021. Source from Wikipedia.